Welcome back to Jam, and wow, this is the time to meet Princess and her band, Rouge. Pero for now, before we call in the entire band, we want to get to know more about you first,
Okay.
Princess.
Hello, thank you for having me here.
Okay, you're originally from what place?
I'm from Cebu. Yeah, from Mandaue in Cebu. Yes.
So you started in music at what age? Anong,
I'm very, very young because, I grew up in church and music's always in church. So,
Yeah.
from zygote, I guess. And then I started playing
Zygote.
piano when I was 5 and started playing the violin when I was 9.
Do you speak Tagalog?
I do. Yes.
Testing nga. Tagalog.
Sige.
What's up? What's up? What's up? English
English
yun.
yun eh.
Okay. Wait, when did you start realizing that, okay, I want to pursue music? I'm sure you play in church before.
Yes.
Tumutugtog ka sa church. And then when did it start occurring to you na, okay, I want to pursue music like legit. I want to be a professional musician. I want to be in a band. Or is it something that you decided on or something that just happened?
The idea of me pursuing music actually just struck me after I graduated from nursing.
So you
I'm a
nurse-
registered nurse by profession.
Oh, malupit. Okay.
And then I realized that I didn't want to be a nurse.
Why?
So, it's a possibility, like I like caring for people and everything.
It's
but
a
I just,
plan B. Parang
It's
ganun.
plan B, yes. But I really love music. And if I can make a living out of doing what I love, I went for it.
So, with Rouge coming in, paano yun nangyari? Did you have to audition just like me? Or you met them and then, oh, let's form a group?
My manager, Paulo Zarate, formed an all-girl band, and that was Rouge. And originally, I wasn't part of the group, but then they had a gig, and the guitarist was unavailable. So I relieved and was absorbed eventually. So that's how I got in the band.
Great. So, aside from music, you also like to travel. We see it in your Instagram posts.
Yeah, I do, yes.
What else do you do in life?
I'm very passionate about the environment also. I try not to use plastic and lessen my carbon footprint. Yeah,
Paano yung iba tao talaga sila yung plastic? So,
I also avoid that. Yeah.
hugot. Joke lang.
No.
Okay, and you write poetry. That's what we found out. Share mo naman sa amin kung tungkol saan yung mga hugot mo when it comes to poetry.
Well, life experiences. I just mostly about love also. Like when I feel emotion, that's where I get the hugot to write poetry. And I've been doing it since I was little, like grade school. I didn't even know that it was like it was not normal for girls to write poetry. I mean, it's not everyone does it, right? But I really liked it.
Yeah. Well, you're unique and you're different. No?
Nox.
Now, before we call in your beautiful bandmates,
Yes.
Since you talked about being in church and then moving on to a secular world, playing music, how did that affect the way you work now? Kumbaga, kung galing ka sa church, you serve God in church, and now you transition to playing in a secular world. How does that affect you? Does it help you? What makes you different from other people?
I guess I don't know if I should say this, but when I played only in church before, like I thought that was the only way to please God. But then when I started playing with my band, I realized that you can really please Him in anything that you do.
Yeah.
What your heart is what matters.
Good.
And that's what I learned from
Good.
what happened.
Sabi nga, your everyday life is the best form of worship to God. All right, so now speaking of your beautiful bandmates, I'd like to call in, the rest of the gang. Everybody,
Let's go!
Palapakan naman natin. Let's welcome in Rouge! Ang Hanep Girls.
The Hanep Girls.
Okay.
Wait.
Hello, welcome to the show. Thank you. Ay, sorry. Thank you for, is this on? Okay. Thank you for coming over to the show. Jamkadas, if you don't know, mga kaibigan naming matalik itong Rouge. Ang once ay Rouge ay halos magkakambal yan, magkapatid na banda yan. And I'm just so happy to finally get you in the show. maybe in a couple of weeks, I'm spoiling this, but the boys will also be back here. Maybe we could call you in again.
Yeah,
Pagbalik ng
yeah,
boys.
please.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh?
Saya nun.
Rouge X the Hots. Ang gulo siguro ng set natin. But anyway, I want to ask you, so I heard that you absorbed Princess eventually sa grupo ninyo. Hindi ba kayo nahirapan na isang very artsy na tao playing the violin? I mean, it's very unlikely sa banda na may nagba-violin, na nag-vocalist, di ba? Parang that's something that makes you unique aside from being an all-girl, all-singing group. How was it pagpasok ni Princess sa group?
Ako for me, it's really an advantage kasi sabi mo nga unique. Then hindi lahat ng band may violin. Tapos yung si Princess kasi is classically trained. So
Yeah.
plus 'yon sa band kasi tinuturuan niya rin kami nung mga alam niya, sinishare niya sa amin.
Actually, si Princess ay nag-check ng test paper ko before sa CSB. Kasi meron akong class na orchestration. And
Meant
yung
to be,
prof
meant to
ko
be.
would ask her to check the test papers. So ganun siya ka-legit na musician. So ako, nako-conscious ako every time she's around because yeah.
Score reading.
Yeah, but still, it's still my work, and you're reading it. Anyway, why is there so much tension on
I'm
the
loving
set?
the vibe here.
Okay, pati ako nawawali na ako. Okay, now.
Kasi sobrang amazed kami sa'yo sa
Yeah.
the way you sing.
Lalo
Lalo
Diba?
na si Princess.
Alam mo ba, sobrang mahal namin ng The Ones. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
We
Lalo na
love
si
you.
Princess. May singit lang.
Princess, do you want to say anything?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now, ito, medyo burning question para sa akin. Kasi kami, 5 kaming lalaki sa band. And supposedly, when you talk about boys or when you look at boys, they should not be dramatic, they should not be emotional. And yet, there's so much drama and emotion in our band. Now, I wonder, kung kami ay lalaki, trying not to be so emotional, trying to be objective all the time, and nagkakarambulan sa loob, sa group, I wonder how you handle your own issues. You being girls and all these things. Maybe my question is, one, what's the most challenging part of being together? For how long? Ilang years na ba kayo magkasama?
Almost 3.
Almost 3 years. Imagine 3 years living your life together as a group. Ano yung pinakamahirap na pinagdaanan nyo and you could say, wow, nalagpasan natin yon and you're proud of it?
Yung nag-change kami ng drummer talaga. Yun yung pinakamay. Kasi,
Na pumasok si Nescafe drummer.
yeah,
doon.
yeah,
Si Gian is our third drummer
third
na.
drummer na.
Wow.
It's so difficult to start from the beginning again with a new person.
Yeah.
Not only in terms of like arranging your songs and playing, also getting to know the person. And we were so blessed that she came along because she was really the missing
Link.
ingredient that we were looking for. Yun.
Pretty, diba?
Young.
Apple of the crowd, diba?
Yeah.
Fresh ng bayan kasi. So Gian, ikaw naman, you coming in, how does it feel to be part of this kind of group? Ito ba ay something na pinangarap mo nung bata ka or something that just happened?
Pinangarap ko talaga na magka-all-girl band. Kasi sa pamilya namin, mag-isa lang akong babae. So, ang
Okay.
unang naging kabanda ko is, yan, puro boys.
kapatid.
So, parang inisip ko, paano kaya kung magkabanda ako ng puro babae? So, ayun. Sobrang saya ko na nagkabanda ako.
Nice. Okay, last question na lang before we move on to an interesting segment. Ano ang for you, ang pinaka-highlight ng pagsasama nyo as a group so far in this journey? Yung pinaka parang, wow, this is the life. This is something I dream of.
Ako personally, yung traveling with them, yung gigs out of town. Kasi pangarap ko talaga, I mean, I like traveling. So, gusto ko yung kasama sila. Tapos tutugtog ka, kumbaga work plus pleasure. Ganun.
Work plus
Work plus-
vacation.
Vacation.
Sa akin yung parang highlight, yung sumali kami ng Pilipinas Got Talent Season 5. Kasi ano yun eh, parang wala talaga siya sa plano. Like,
Okay.
nakakatuwa kasi...
So, paano wala sa plano? As in, parang, uy, punta tayo dun. Sige na nga.
Hindi, kasi si Princess, nasa London siya noon eh for...
Wow.
Yeah. For
London.
show.
Oh.
Vacation, tas ano din, parang show. Pinadala siya ng ano to, Department of Tourism to
Wow.
represent our country, yun. Tapos sabi niya, try niya na ano, sabi niya na sa
Lumipad.
producers na why don't you get my band, parang ganun. Tapos may sinabi sa kanya na na-struck siya. Ano yung sinabi sa'yo nung producer? Parang, I don't know your band. Tapos parang siya question niya, saan niyo ba ako nakilala? Sabi, parang, saan ba siya nag-start? She started with Pilipinas Got Talent Season 1 din. That's how she got her corporate shows, corporate gigs. So, nag-chat siya sa amin, parang meeting. Nasa London siya noon.
Wow.
Sabi niya, girls, let's do this.
Meeting sa group chat.
Ito yun, kasi ganito, ganyan. Kami naman, kasi kami parang every opportunity go lang eh.
Yeah.
Ayun, pumunta kami, pumila kami.
Uh,
Kaya hindi totoo yung sinasabi nila, hindi kami nag-audition. Nag-audition
Pumila
talaga.
talaga.
Pumila talaga kami doon.
Mhm.
Ayun, tapos salamat sa Diyos, nakuha kami.
And for you, that was the highlight.
Yun talaga.
How about you, Gian? And then Princess. Ikaw,
Ako?
Gian.
Siguro yung nagkakilala pa lang kami, highlight na yun.
Kulit nila, no? Parang babaeng dahoans talaga sila kapag... Anyway, nagbabatokan.
Feeling ko eto,
Maalala ko, kasi nung in-announce namin na si Gia na yung drummer namin, hindi niya alam.
Oo,
Parang pinapunta namin siya na parang i-judge ka na namin, ganyan.
Pinaniwala namin siya na sobrang dami niyang kalaban. Na kailangan i-prove mo talaga yung sarili mo.
naniwala rin ako.
Kabang-kaba pa siya.
Yun talaga yung pinaka-highlights para sa akin. Kasi
studio, may mga poppers, may cake.
Binidyo pa na.
ang sabi nila mag-ready daw ako dahil parang maglalaban pa kami nung dalawa.
Pero meron na kaming hinanda na
May
cake.
sabong.
May cake na
Yun
welcome
pala,
to Rouge.
kasabot nila yung magulang ko.
Wow.
Ang sweet nila, di ba?
Okay,
Wait lang. Sana ganyan ka din sa gig. Kakalit. Natahimik kasi siya sa gig eh.
Oo nga. Actually, nasa-surprise ako sa'yo kasi ngayon ko lang nakita yung side mo. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung side mo na ganyan. Si Gian po kasi, kapag nasa gig, sobrang tahimik lang niya. As in, hindi siya nagsasalita. Tingnan mo yung mga cameraman natin, talagang kahit ako nagsasalita, ikaw ang focus. Oh, hindi, sige lang. Balik mo na, nahiya ka pa. Buton mo na. Ayan, there you go. So, wow. Amazing. Nakakatawa. Para kayong dahons na babae.
Kaya push natin yung The Ones with Rouge.
Oh, why not, di ba?
Yan.
Oh, mga boss na nanonood ngayon, you know na, you know what to do. Okay, Princess, you're the highlight of,
Oh my
of
gosh,
being...
like I was thinking about your question kasi ako na yung last, di ba? Ano ba yung highlight?
Hindi, yung highlight bukod sa kasama natin, si Carl na lang.
Yung
Mamumula na naman siya.
Kalma.
Kalma.
ano ba? Yung na-meet ko yung tao. Yun din, parang ang dami kong nami-meet na mga musicians, iba-ibang tao that give me a lot of input with regards to band playing kasi hindi nga ako banda. And yun, parang sa akin, that's a highlight that I meet a lot of different people from different genres of music. And I realize that you can be all of it, you know? Like, you can't just be one type. You can't be a classical musician only. So yeah, that's for me.
Parang you're put in a place where you could reinvent yourself constantly.
Yes, you can experiment and it's a free world. You know, like no one's gonna judge you in this, ano.
O nga, parang less yung scrutiny, no, sa industriya
Yeah,
natin.
yeah.
Unlike a TV or somewhere else. Okay, we're supposed to move on, but I just want to ask you one more question. You know, this is off the record. Our industry, I mean, yung being a band, doing gigs, bar gigs, it's pretty, how do I say it? Kumbaga, ito ay industriyang pang barkako. Kasi sasalang ka sa lugar, sa dressing room na madumi, tapos yung oras ng uwi mo is depende sa very late, and the environment is not very safe because you know, it's not, you're not like confined in a studio like this where hindi ka nasisikatan ng araw. I mean, when you go to gigs, it's like parang sumasabak sa gera all the time. Now, kami, we're all 5 boys and sometimes may daing kami na, why is it like this? Alam mo yun, parang, ito na naman, you know. And I cannot imagine how it is for you because you're girls and you're all good looking, you're all you look like you're sheltered, para kayong mga precious diamonds, ganyan. Pero sumasalang kayo night after night sa mga bars. How is it for you? Is this helping you become tough? Or is this also something that you get scared of from time to time? Yeah, how is it affecting you, yung ganitong klaseng trabaho?
I'm a very independent person. So, you know, like fighter like me and Ate, we live by ourselves. So, I guess it's easier for us than
Tsaka, like, yung Rouge talaga, wala lang sa itsura na, pero lahat kami hindi maarte. Hindi, cowboy na cowboy kami. Mapapaupo mo kami kahit saan dyan.
Yeah. And that's what I admire about you. Kasi I know how hard it is to be a band that plays gigs night after night, and then you have to look pretty because that's also part of your branding. Like when you show up here, imagine nyo po, maaga kami today at sila ay galing pa ng gig.
Yeah.
Pero they're all blooming today. And yes naman. So thank you very much once again for
Thank
joining
you,
us
thank
here.
you.
And
Thank you.
before we move on, before we let you go, we're gonna move on to something called fishbowl questions. These are just random questions. You don't have to think too much about the answers. First thing that pops in your head, okay? You pick a question and I'll read it for you. Read it for you. Okay, for Gian. What is your favorite movie quote?
Ala, di ako mahilig sa movie.
Talaga ba?
Teleserye,
Oo.
commercial, ganun.
One moment, one Nescafe!
Why not?
Oh,
One
diba?
moment, one Nescafe. Si Gian po ay endorser ng Nescafe. So, sa mga mahilig magkape kagaya ko, try Nescafe, okay. Nag-endorse pa talaga ng brand. Princess, what's the most expensive gift you've ever given someone?
my heart.
Expensive.
Ba't mo
I
binigay?
thought it was priceless.
Just kidding.
Ba't mo daw binigay?
Okay, your heart. Okay, no more questions. That's it. Kara, have you ever searched your name on Google?
Yeah.
And what showed up?
Eh di yung bandang Rouge.
Rouge. Yes. Kasi ang sarap ng feeling na gano'n pag search mo. Uy.
Oo, nakakatawa.
What is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or wallet right now?
Yung pick ng guitar pick. Kasi lagi akong nawawalan.
Okay.
Or kung hindi naman nawawala, lagi siyang ina-arbor. So, I make sure na parang lahat ng lalagyan, like yung guitar wallet, I mean yung guitar na lalagyan, yung wallet, yung pitaka,
Meron
yung
siyang
pitaka ko.
mabibigay.
Lahat ng pwedeng
yung
lagyan.
Lahat ng pwedeng lagyan, bag ko, lahat pwede kong lagyan. Kasi minsan nawawala, nakakainis kasi,
For the
napupudpud
record, siya
galing.
po yung pinaka makakalimutin sa amin.
Oh, ang tawag nila
Parang
sa akin, ano,
kada araw meron siya
spirit of
nalilimutan.
Tapos,
Parang si Jason sa amin. Si Jason naman yung ganyan.
Talaga?
Yung kung
Hello,
yung arm
Jason.
niya nawawala, makakalimutan niya na sa mo.
grabe.
Totoo. Meron time si Jason, nasa sasakyan na siya, nakalimutan niya pala yung bag niya.
Ako
wallet
minsan
niya,
naiiwanan
phone
ko pa yung gitara ko mismo. Kaya
Siya nga eh, may
Serious?
nahanap siya na ano ba yung bag, pero nakasabit sa kanya.
Oo.
Kaya may salamin, nasa salamin, pero
Hindi siguro lagi kasing puyat
Yung
din.
term namin sa pag nagiging makalimutin din kami tatlo, parang spirit of
Ah, may
boons.
spirit of
Parang
boons
Spirit
ka.
of Jerry.
Gian, spirit of boons ka na ba?
Bakit?
Nickname namin kay Jerry Boons.
Dati
Ah,
kasi siya yung
bunso.
bunso, wala pa si Gian. Nung dumating na si Gian, siya na yung
Sana.
skinny boons.
Skinny bones.
Kasi yung payat-payat niya
Payat
nung dumating siya, 70 years old siya.
Wow.
Payat.
Okay, pero sa amin uso din yung nakawan ng pick. Sa amin,
Uso talaga
sa amin
yun.
nakawan talaga, literal. Yung pag hinanayaan mo, akin na yan. Yan. Kasi nagkakawalaan niya. Anyway, thank you guys very much. Sobrang na-entertain kami, pati si Paula ay na-entertain sa ginawa natin. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, thank you, Roots. Pero wag kayong magbabalik pa tayo. Meron kaming challenge for you. Pero for now, Jamkatas, mag-chill muna kayo dyan with BJ Chloe as she lists our top 5 CCM songs for this week. And after that, makasama pa natin si Princess sa pagbabalik ng Jam. So stay tuned, guys.